Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, import the slow motion clip and immediately make a backup. This preserves the original. Once done, check the source FPS, 24, 30, 60, or 120 because matching rates prevent stutter. Then set your project timeline FPS to the same number. This aligns frames correctly. Next, select the clip and open the speed controls. You're doing this to avoid dropped frames and timing errors, so don't skip matching frame rates before changing playback speed. Now you adjust the effect. Change playback speed to 100% or your target percent to remove slow motion while watching motion continuity. If movement appears choppy, enable frame interpolation or optical flow. These rebuild in between frames to keep motion smooth. Make sure to preview at real time and tweak interpolation strength. Too much causes artifacts. Also consider trimming abrupt cuts or applying frame blending at joins to prevent pops. This phase fixes timing and visual continuity so the clip reads naturally at normal speed. Finish by rendering a short test export and watch the result full screen. Confirm there are no artifacts, judder, or audio sync problems. If issues persist, make sure project codec matches source, raise render bitrate, or switch to a higher quality interpolation method that usually removes ghosting or stutter. If audio shifted, detach and realign or re-export audio separately. Finally, save incremental project versions and keep the original backup so you can revert quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.